How to change Brave browser theme. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now there are two options when it comes to changing the Brave browser theme. The first one will change the app theme, while the second one will change the theme of the websites that you visit. So let's go through both of them, starting with the first one. Go ahead and open up Brave browser. And once you do that, you want to click on the three dots at the bottom right, then click on settings. And here you need to scroll down to the display section, and from there click on appearance, then click on theme. And here you will be able to change the app theme by using three options. The first one is the system default option, and as you can see, it tells you to turn on dark theme when your device dark theme or battery saver is on, so this will follow your wherever your phone theme is. The second one is to only choose the light theme, so even if your phone is on dark mode, the app will still be on light theme. And the second option is to use the dark theme, which will make the app on dark mode even if your phone is not. This is the first option, and this will change the appearance of the app. The second option, as you can see, if you go back to the previous page, you will see the third option. It says enable night mode, and it's still experimental. What this will do is it will turn all of the websites that you visit to dark theme. Let's go ahead and see that. Turn it on. You will get this pop-up that tells you that the changes will take effect the next time you relaunch Brave, and it gives you the option to relaunch now or later. Let's relaunch it now and see. Let's visit any website. As you can see, the website is on dark mode. Let's try another one, Facebook for example. As you can see, all of the websites that you will visit will be on dark mode. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change the theme on Brave browser. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.